I've actually got an olive branch here, and you can see the leaf has this kind of sword kind of shape. It's very much like a kind of an ancient Greek sword. And so what I'm going to do is to draw a nice gentle curve like that. And then we'll have kind of one leaf coming up there and another coming that way, another coming that way, and the other one will be kind of this part there. So you can kind of plan it out. They don't all have to be exactly equal and identical. Now we want to start here, so this is going to be a bit thicker at this end, isn't it? And then we kind of want to draw into the stem of the leaf like that, and then we'll carry on up like that. So it's going to be getting a little bit thinner, the branch, as you're going along. And we'll up there and go up there and kind of down that way, and then this is going to be the final leaf at the end. And what we're really kind of wanting is that we're going to want these kind of middle lines, the kind of the rib of the leaf. So you can do these in all kinds of different shapes. So they could just be a curve or a slight gentle S shape, and then we want this kind of broad blade kind of look to the leaf. That's going to come around like that and down there, and then this one's going to come there like that. And when you actually look at it, then you're going to see that the vein in the middle of it is quite a pale green, and so this is kind of drawing it the wrong way round in a way. Doing that in a kind of weird way, but you can get away with quite a lot with the kind of shape because they're all kind of in different angles. And then we want that one coming in there like that. Now when you're sure that the ink is dry, then you can erase those pencil lines. Now since you're still watching, you obviously like drawings, so make sure you come down here and click the subscribe button. I'm adding a little bit of shading, which isn't really necessary because the branch is quite pale. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn this midrib into a pale kind of olive green colour, and then I'm going to make the leaves a dark colour, and there you are, you have how to draw an olive branch. Well, thanks for watching. Please like this video and make sure you are subscribed to the Draw Stuff Real Easy channel. You can support my videos by following me on my Patreon page. Put your drawing idea requests in the comments box below, and remember to keep drawing, practice, and I'll see you next time. You take care now. Bye bye.